Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope all are doing well. Now let's get into our video. In today's session, we gonna get a grip of explained version of the lesson. Every success story is also a story of great failures by Shiv Khera. Unit 1, Reading B. Unit 1 is personality development. In this, reading A is attitude is altitude. Reading B is every success story is also a story of great failures. Reading C is I will do it. Now let's know about the writer of this story, Shiv Khera. Shiv Khera is an Indian author of self-help books and activist. While working in the United States, he was inspired by a lecture delivered by Norman Vincent Peale and followed the motivational teachings. Khera has written several books including You Can Win. His mission is to ensure freedom through education and justice. Shiv Khera was born in a business family who used to have coal mines, Kandya in Dhanbad, India. Soon after the nationalization of coal mines by the Indian government, had to search for his own living. In his early years, he worked as a car washer, a life insurance agent, and a franchise operator before he became a motivational speaker. Listen to the gist of the story. This is an interesting essay written by Shiv Khera, an Indian writer and a well known inspirational speaker. Shiv Khera's essay consoles the people who repeatedly get failures. It gives us hope to continue the efforts till we reach the goal of success. History proves that all stories of success are also stories of great failures. We all know that Abraham Lincoln was the President of the United States, but it was a big question how successful he was before becoming the President of the United States. It was a great fact that he faced many failures in his life before getting this huge success. He failed in business, was defeated in elections, had a nervous breakdown, overcome the death of his sweetheart. Though he had many failures, he was not discouraged. He continued his efforts till he got a great success. Thomas Alva Edison was a very dull student at school. He was partially deaf. He had only 3 months of formal schooling. He was sent out of the school. His mother taught him at home. He failed 10,000 times while he was working on the light bulb. But he didn't give up his efforts and got the success finally. He was the man with a wonderful attitude. Though he lost his factory on fire, he went on inventing the photograph. He didn't lose hope at any stage of his life. Colonel Sanders was the founder of KFC chain restaurants. He, at the age of 65, worked hard and succeeded in selling food items. He had knocked on more than 1,000 doors before he got his first order. Walt Disney, the famous cartoonist, was rejected by many before getting his first opportunity. He faced many rejections before getting the success. Finally, he created Mickey Mouse, a world famous funny animal character, when he was working out of a small mouse infested shed near the church. Henry Ford forgot to put the reverse gear in the first car he made and went broke at the age of 40. He succeeded later and reached a position to selling of cars. Lee De Forest was the inventor of the triode tube. In 1913, he was charged by the district attorney for using dishonest means to mislead the public. Though he was publicly humiliated, he didn't stop his efforts and made so many inventions. The Wright brothers successfully invented their flight after their wisdom was questioned by a New York Times editorial. Socrates took the young man by surprise and ducked him into the water. After the boy started turning blue, Socrates pulled his head out of the water. The boy understood that the air is very important when he was in the water. Then Socrates said, "That is the secret to success. A burning desire is the starting point of all accomplishment. Just like a small fire cannot give much heat, a weak desire cannot produce great results." Now, guys, go through the content of the lesson, and if you have any doubts, I am here to give you clarification. Please drop a comment in the comment box, and to get updates and notifications of my lessons, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.